वेलकम टू माई दिवाली पार्टी गाइज। मेरी दिवाली की पार्टी में आप सबका स्वागत है। नो आई के नॉट कम टू योर पार्टी, आप मेरी पार्टी में नहीं आ सकते, बट एक चीज़ जो हम एक साथ कर सकते हैं दैट इज़ वी कैन गेट रेडी टुगेदर फॉर आवर पार्टीज। सो दिस इज़ द लुक दैट आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डॉन फॉर दिस इवनिंग टुडे. This is what I'm wearing. It's a black and gold kurti. Thankfully, I had the matching earrings. And I thought the best eye look that can go with this look is obviously the gold and black smoky eyes. Now, the look is smoky eyes, but the technique is super easy. जब आप ये वीडियो देखोगे, I've done it in the most easiest way possible. And not just for Diwali, you can actually do this look for so many occasions. The festivities have just begun. The weddings are around the corner. जो भी आप एक दो में जा रहे हैं, you can absolutely do this look. So without wasting any time, we're going to start with this look. But before that, you have to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup. Disclaimer: the first half of this video will not have me talking. There will be a voiceover. As always, there was a technical problem. I did not realize the battery was over. But the second half will have me talking, but that should not affect what we're trying to learn here. So starting with the primer guys, I have taken the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer and I'm going to start applying it from the center of my face in the outer direction. Once this is done, I'm going to move towards concealing. I have taken my favorite caramel concealer from Maybelline Age Rewind and applying it on the usual areas where I have pigmentation under my eyes and around my mouth area. Just making sure I blended it really well. For my foundation today, I am taking a double wear, a full coverage foundation by Estee Lauder. Pollution and the circumstances outside, long nights, I think something heavy is required. So I'm making it sure that I'm applying it really, really well. To highlight under my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand, just to brighten up my eyes a bit. I'm going to do a bit of cream contouring today, not very strong. For that, I'm using my Y505 by Makeup Forever. And usual areas again, the forehead, jawline, cheekbones, and my nose. Blending that much should be quick. And that's how it's done. Moving forward, I am now going to bake under my eyes. So for that, I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And I'm just going to leave it for about say 30 seconds to 1 minute maximum. Don't keep it for too long, otherwise the under eyes are going to look dry, rather they're going to go dry. To set my contoured area, I'm using my bronzer and just applying it on the areas that I had done, where I had contoured. Just making my nose a little more sharper, and now getting rid of that excess powder. I don't want to keep it for too long. Using my Tarte's Pro Glow and blush palette, I'm going to be using the highlighter and the blush from the same palette, guys. Now once that highlighting is done, I'm going to move towards blush, and that's the shade that I'm using today. Making sure I set it all up, so I'm using the Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics, and that's how the base is done. Now it's time for eye makeup, and for that today I'm going to be using my Soft Glam palette. It's my favorite, like one of my favorite palette after, or actually as much as I love Nude palette by Huda Beauty, this is the another palette that I have and I really, really love. I think if you have it, you're sorted. Since I'm wearing black and gold, like you can see, I think that is what I'm going to stick to for my eye makeup as well. So I'm going to use this black and I'm gonna use this gold. And this is a look like a smoky eye look, and I'm just gonna try making it easier. So not too many complications with technique यहाँ से वहाँ से. So this eye makeup is going to be like a half and half, basically half black eye and half gold eye. But I'm going to try cover more eyes, the more of my lid with gold and less of black, because I don't want it to be too dark since I'm just wearing a lot of black. Even my earrings that I'm going to be wearing later are black. So let's focus more on gold. It's going to lighten your face up, and let's start. To take a brown, any brown that you have in your palette. So मैं इस palette में से ये light brown use करूँगी. This is burnt orange, and I'm just going to apply it on the outer edge of this black so that it looks more smoother and gradient. I'm now going to take a flat brush to use my gold. So इस गोल्ड को सिर्फ हमें अपनी इनर कॉर्नर से सेंटर तक लगाना है बस. सो जब आपको लगे कि आपने ये बिल्कुल इक्वली दोनों आईज में लगा दिया है, ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज आपको इसको ब्लेंड करना है सेंटर में से. तो आप वही अपना ब्लैक ब्रश विदाउट एनी प्रोडक्ट से आप ये जो बीच की लाइन है, यू कैन जस्ट ब्लेंड इट वेरी सॉफ्टली ताकि बस वो थोड़ा ग्रेजुअल लगे. अप्लाई एन आई लाइनर एंड एक छोटा सा विंग साथ में. Guys, my liner is done, so now I'm going to take kajal and apply that, and then I'm just going to smudge it a little with a black eyeshadow. For my eyebrows, my mascara and my lashes. So this Innisfree Auto Brow Pencil, as you can see, is very easy to use. Yaar, if you're looking for something like which looks very natural and which is not too much of a hassle to apply, then this brow pencil is amazing. I've been using it for almost 2 years now, and this has been a constant. So you can see इसने कितनी जल्दी मेरे brows को shape कर दिया, as in it doesn't take any effort at all. So time for grand finale, lipstick लगाते हैं. I always say कि आप अगर आप अपने आईज पे बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क कलर्स या बहुत ड्रामेटिक आईज कर रहे हैं, तो आप उसके साथ अपने लिप्स जो है न्यूट्रल रखिए. एंड इफ यू वांट टू पुट लाइक अ ब्राइट और अ डार्क कलर, देन यू शुड बैलेंस it with a subtle look on the eyes. There is no hard and fast rule. आप दोनों भी dark कर सकते हैं. If you can carry it well and you think you have the confidence, then please surely do so. But again, I think since I'm already wearing black and gold, my earrings are black and gold, and so are my eyes. So there's already too much dark things happening, and I just want to add like a pop of color to this. So I'm still going to play with pink, and let's see how bright or how neutral I keep it. This is surely not my favorite pink. मैं ये कभी भी अकेले नहीं लगा सकती. I have to mix it with other colors. So in my opinion, this pink doesn't suit me. I don't know. It just doesn't go. Better.
Nice.
My final look, I am quickly gonna wear my earrings and do my hair and be right back. I am absolutely ready for my celebration, guys. This look is very well synchronized for me. You know, a lot of black and gold happening from accessories to my outfit to my eyes, and this little pop of color on my lips. I think it totally balances out. This is also like a festive or a wedding look that you can do for so many parties and for the coming festivities. Like the list is endless because there's so many celebrations happening, during this season. I wish you a very happy Diwali, guys. Please be safe. Do not burst crackers. Think about the animals on the road. Think about the nature. Think about your neighbors. Think about everyone. More importantly, think about yourself. You do not want to fall sick with all that pollution. We've had enough going on this year, and you don't want to add more to it. So eat well, eat a lot rather. बहुत मिठाइयाँ खाइए, celebrate करिए with your family and friends, and come back very soon. But make my Diwali prosperous too. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, share this video, and find me on Instagram, Rashti Sopti Makeup. I'm going to see you very soon. Wishing you a very happy Diwali again. Bye.